What's up, guys? This is Avi Uso back again with another video. All right, I'm gonna do a quick $20 session. I got $215 million cash explosion, ticket number 18. These guys, they have two types of cash explosion. They have one is $200 million, and then this one is the $215 million. All right, and both of them I love to play. Okay, so match any of the numbers to the win numbers, win a prize, review that money back, able to win $100 instantly. Or if you can find that 20 times, able to win 20 times the prize. All right, overall odds is 1 in 3.10. Okay, I'm gonna fold the top just so we can get it in frame. All right, let me zoom in. A little bit lower. All right. Okay, let's go. Come on. Starting off with my favorite number 8. 31. 28. Oh, I seen that X. I was like, ooh, there's the multiplier, but it's a 36. Okay, we got a 12, 47, 38, 14, 17, 42. Baby dolls number 4. We got a Tennessee, 25, 15. We got the lucky number 1, 6, 34, 35, 29, 19, 46. Big fat 40, the lucky 7, and gamblers 11 and 26. Okay, so no symbols. All right. I know I did say baby dolls. I did say baby dolls number 4. Nice. Got a match. 48. 1 off. 46. Another match. All right. 16. 27. 1 off of 26. 41. 1 off of 42. Negative. And last number 9er. Nope. I would have remembered that. All right. So 2 matches, number 4 and 46. Okay, let's bring it up closer. Okay, start off with 46. Come on, there be big. Oh, got my money back. All right. All right. All right, so out of a $20 session, I got $20 back. All right, so thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys all in the next video. All right.